Hello guys, welcome to this warm channel. We're building boundaries across borders, and today we're gonna talk about challenges in our lives, how they shape us, how they make us stronger, and also how to build the mindset that will help us to overcome challenges and also feel not that overwhelmed and depressed under this social pressure. I would like to notice that many interesting things, they were coming through our sources of entertainment too. Like yesterday, I gained an insight from a light novel where the heroine was playing a villainess who compete with the main character of the game. She had a pretty interesting dialogue with her friend. She have been training a sportsmanship to become really strong and cool villainess, and her friend asked her, why are you doing this if you can't overcome the main character, if you never can overcome her talent? She said, I want to come as closer as possible, so my efforts are valuable too. So my point is, even though we're not the best professional in this field, the best musician, or the best athlete, you still doing your best, and maybe you already won in your own game of competitiveness because you compete with your previous results. You're showing your will, your passion, and this is enough for you to feel successful. You building your own happiness. You don't need to compete with everybody around you. Just do better than you did yesterday, and that's all. It just works this way. If you have any insights, any questions, please write below in the comment. And also, we feel happy because we feel that we belong to some sort of community. When you have enough social skills, it's easier to do. So we created this community, Diverse.co, to help people to obtain social skills, to feel happier with their lives, to reframe things, and also to build boundaries across borders. If you feel like you want to practice your social skills, practice your assertiveness in a safe environment, we invite you to our course. It's completely free, and you will be able to receive some pretty interesting and fascinating knowledges from Maria and I. And you can also be a part of a small community that we're building. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.